Turn now to the coronavirus crisis. Indiana is adding just 1,100 new cases to its total today. This is the lowest single-day report that we've really seen since early August. Our positivity rate continues to decline as well. In fact, most of the metrics that we use to measure the pandemic right now are falling. Fox 59's Kristen Eskow joins us in the newsroom. She has a breakdown of where things stand today. Kristen, what are you learning?
Well, Beershell, Indiana saw an increase in vaccinations during the Delta surge, but now as the number of cases has declined, so has the number of vaccinations each day, and health officials say that needs to change. Although vaccine clinics are seeing interest in booster shots, fewer Hoosiers are getting their first and second doses of the vaccine. Data from the Indiana Department of Health shows during the Delta surge, vaccinations peaked at an average of 12,000 per day in late August. As of Friday, that number has dropped to an average of 6,000 a day. Several Indiana vaccine providers say they've seen the decline firsthand.
We are getting some that are coming in for their first and second dose, but the majority are the boosters. I would say 80% at least are booster.
Tracy Anderson of Community Health Network says her team is focused on reaching more students by running vaccine clinics at schools.
We wanted to make sure that population had the opportunity to get vaccinated, and it's not always easy for those parents to get to clinics.
Other providers are also working to make the vaccine available in more places.
I just got off a call with community outreach, getting into some of our high-risk community settings. And offering vaccines there.
Mary Kay Foster of Indiana University Health believes healthcare providers need to educate patients about the potential consequences of COVID if they're not vaccinated.
What that hospital bill is going to be like, I don't think people realize how expensive the care for COVID truly is.
Data from the state health department shows 56% of eligible Hoosiers are fully vaccinated. On Friday, Governor Eric Holcomb acknowledged it will take time to convince some Hoosiers to get the shot.
We'll continue to lean into making sure that those resources are readily accessible, easy to access, and would try to be as persuasive as we can.
Now, health officials urge people who have questions about the vaccine to speak with their doctor about it. Now, vaccine clinic organizers tell me they're seeing interest in booster shots from all populations that are eligible. The Indiana Department of Health has not posted data on booster shots to the vaccine dashboard just yet, but a spokesperson told me they are hoping to get that data posted online soon. Live in the newsroom, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.